Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you basic commands in Linux. These are the most commonly used Linux commands, and I'm going to show you with examples to help you understand how you can use them in your daily work. Please note that Linux commands are case sensitive, so it is important to type them as they appear. Let's dive in. The first command what I'm going to show you is how to make directories. Simply type mkdir. This stands for making the directory and then name of the directory, such as folder 1. If I hit enter, it says it already exists. It means that this folder already exists. I can create some other folder, folder 2. Right now I have made folder 2 in my home directory. I can make multiple folders or directories. How can we do that? For example, as mkdir and folder 2, I can simply type folder 3, folder 4, and folder 5. You can type as many as you want. So as I understand right now, it will throw an error because folder 2 already exists. So I'm going to give it folder 6 and hit enter. Right now I have successfully created 4 folders in my home directory. How can you check the content of the directory? By typing ls. If you type ls and hit enter, it's gonna give me all the directories or folders which are in my current directory. As right now I am in my home directory. So right now I'm going to show you how can you remove directory. For example, simply type rmdir and then type the directory name. For example, I want to remove folder 6. If I hit enter, it will remove folder 6. If I type ls now, you can see right that folder 6 has been removed. To check more information about the content of the directory, you can type ls-l. In this way, you can see all the directory information. For example, is it a directory or a file, anything, then read, write, and execute permissions. Then you can see the username and the group name, and also you can see when this directory was last updated. Let me now show you how you can create a file. File can be created simply by typing touch and then you can name the file, for example, file1.txt, right? If I type lsl, you can see now that file1.txt exists. I have successfully created. Now let me show you how you can move from one directory to other directory. You can move it by simply typing cd and then name of the directory. cd stands for change directory. For example, I want to move into dir2. As you can see right now, I am in dir2. If I type ls, I don't see anything because directory 2 is completely empty. Let's get back to our home directory. Remember that the tilde sign is for home directory. If I hit enter, I'm going to go back to my home directory. If I type lsl, you can see that I am already in my home directory. Let me clear the screen and then type lsl. You can see that. Now let me show you how you can remove a file. Remove a file is simply can be done by typing rm and then type the file name. As I have only one file, I can type file and then hit the tab. It's gonna give me file1.txt because only file exists in this directory. If I hit enter, the file1.txt has successfully removed. If I check the list and the content of my home directory, you can see that file has been removed successfully. So these are the basic commands in Linux which you can use for your daily work. That's it for this tutorial, guys. Stay tuned because in upcoming videos I will be uploading most tricks and tips which you can use in your daily life. Thank you and stay tuned.